ഓം ഗുരു പാദുകാം പൂജയാമി തർപ്പയാമി നമഃ. പഞ്ചദശി മഹാമന്ത്ര കാ ഏ ഈ ലാ ഹ്രീം ഹാ സ ക ഹ ള ഹ്രീം സ ക ള ഹ്രീം. ശ്രീ ലളിത ത്രിപുരസുന്ദരി initiated through Panchadashi, which contains 15 Bija mantra. The Bija are divided into 3 kudas. These 3 kudas known as Vagbha Kudam, Kamaraja Kudam or Madhyama Kudam and Shakti Kudam. Vaibhava Kudam represents face of Ma Lalitambika. Kamaraja Kudam or Madhyama Kudam represents her Madhyabhagam, that means from neck to thighs. The Shakti Kudam represents below her hips. The entire form of Lalitambika is composed of these 3 kudas. This is one of the reason why Panchadashi is considered very powerful mantra. These 3 kudas are connected in such a way that an inverted triangle, the source of universe. This is why this mantra is considered as very, very sacred. Vaibhava Kudam on the right side of the triangle. Then Kamaraja Kudam, that means upper side of the triangle. Shakti Kuda on the left side of the triangle. The first Kuda, Vaibhava Kuda, is source of speech. It is also called the group of fire and refers to the power of knowledge, Jnana Kuda. I am just trying to explain each Bija mantra represent what. Each Bija mantra represents, Ka represents Brahma, the creator of universe. This Bijam bestow peace and prosperity on the sadhaka. Then A, here Devi Saraswati, goddess of knowledge and speech, Shakti as the cosmic yoni, the divine world. This Bija prevents the sadhaka from all failures. E represents Lakshmi. This Bija gives the sadhaka wealth and prosperity, all Laukika benefits. La represents Indra. This Bija gives victory to the sadhaka. Hrim, the union of Shakti and Shiva. Through this Hrim Bijam, sadhaka will benefit all material benefit in the world. The second Kuda, Kamaraja Kuda or Madhya Kudam, Ha, Sa, Ka, Ha, La, Hrim. If the first group, first Kudam associated with creation, the second with maintenance and protection, with the granting of spiritual and material benefits. Ha looks into Shiva and Sun represents also Pingala Nadi. Masculine quality also provides. Sa, Shakti and Moon, feeling of ecstasy, representing Ida Nadi. Feminine qualities. Ka, Manmata, excitement of the heart and mind in connection with of all desires in the Laukika Jivita. Ha mantra representing breathing process. Various emotions also connected. For example, love, passion, fear. La, Indra in respect of the deity of heavenly pleasure and guardian of the 8 direction. Hrim, combination of Vishnu and Lakshmi. They are the position of Tidi, always mentioned about the Srishti Sthiti Samharam. Here, Hreem represents the Sthiti Karanam. Shakti Kudam, Sa, Ka, La, Hreem. This third Kudam associated with dissolution, Srishti Sthiti Samharam. Here, Samhara Karani. With the blessing of Ma, the third Kudam represents Sa, Ka, La, Hreem. Sa represents Parashakti, the Supreme Shakti, the cosmic Yoni that gives birth to everything and absorbs everything. Ka, the erotic attraction of Shiva and Shakti to each other. La, Shiva striving for the union of Parashakti. Here, Hreem, the conjunction or interaction of Shiva and Shakti at the Sahasrara Padma.